Investment app. The pros, the cons. Investmint promises to simplify investing for everyday users. But is it effective? Starting with the pros: automation. The app invests based on your goals and risk tolerance, making it hands-off. Second, low minimums. You can start investing with small amounts, which is great for beginners. Third, user-friendly design. The app is easy to navigate, even for those new to investing. Now, the cons. Limited control. Users can't pick individual stocks or customize portfolios beyond preset options. Another drawback: fees. While low, management fees can still reduce returns over the long term. The surprising truth? Investmint is perfect for hands-off investors, but not for active traders seeking full control. In short, the pros: automation, low minimums and user-friendly design make Investmint a strong choice for beginners. The cons: limited control and fees mean it's not ideal for advanced investors.